Hello everyone, my name is Tinso, also known as 300. Welcome to the channel 300 Travel Tales. കേരളത്തിലെ എൻ്റെ എല്ലാ കൂട്ടുകാർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. केरला के बाहर मेरा दोस्त लोग आपको स्वागत है मेरा YouTube चैनल पे. Today we will discuss about how to ride properly or how to ride comfortably on a sports cruiser like CBR 250R. This is not just about CBR 250R, the sports bikes or the touring bikes which have the aggressive seating position, or these theories or the experience which I got from CBR 250R could be applicable to other motorcycles as well. So recently a lot of people have asking me, how do you cover a lot of distances in such huge distances like 10,000 kilometers, 6,000 kilometers, 40 days ride, 15 days, 20 days ride on a CBR 250R. So in this video I will discuss about my tips and tricks and my theories and my principles of riding a sports cruiser motorcycle. Stay tuned. Okay, so the number one thing which we have to ensure while riding a sports cruiser like CBR 250R is the maintenance of proper body posture. So we should not give more weight to the front. We should balance ourselves by keeping our back straight on the seat, and our knees should be tucked in and it should be relaxed. The all weight should be concentrated on your butt and your back muscles. So I will make a separate video of the exercises which we can do to keep our back straight and back muscles, and also to ensure that our legs are strong enough to support the weight so that we can cover long distances or make our touring comfortable. That video will be coming up. Another tip to ride or to cover long distances on a sports cruiser or a normal bike is the way to make yourself relaxed during the ride. So these are the techniques which can be adopted for any touring bikes or any motorcycle riders around, so that they can cover long distances very comfortably, very naturally. So we have to know how to relax on a motorcycle while riding it. So let's go for a ride, shall we? that being said, about relaxing on the motorcycle while riding, I personally take breaks every 100 kilometers, or I ride up to maximum of 1.5 hours. So during every 1.5 hours of my ride during the day, I take a break either to drink water or to have food, or depends upon the situations, right, to have a tea or something. During the break itself, I try to relax my muscles and I try to relax my body, sit somewhere and relax and continue for my continue with the ride, right? Also, keeping our mind relaxed and fresh is a very critical part of covering long distance in any motorcycle. So if we are having much of a road rage or having much of that tension thoughts in our mind, so if our mind is tensed, we will not feel very relaxed during our ride, and it will definitely affect our performances, and it will definitely make our body tired, so that we may not be able to cover long distances. So either you can hear to music. So I personally do not hear music while riding. I just put on my earplugs so that it will block a bit of noise, and it will block the air as well, wind as well. But I will listen to the oncoming traffic, upcoming traffic, so the sounds nearby, so that I can ride safely. And some people like to listen to music, and that is not an issue, depends upon person to person, right? And I try to bring out happy thoughts, or think about something which is good, think about my future, or think about the rides. I will just view the locations and think about the people over there, or having positive thinking in the mind is very essential for having a positive body, so that it will respond well for the aggressiveness which we give to the body, right? So 30 days, 40 days is just on a motorcycle is not just a small thing. So your body will react, body will resist, and we have to relax and keep our body and mind fresh, so that we can cover long distances. Also, I feel that covering long distances, or just going on a ride with the motorcycle, is very therapeutic. So for me personally, all the tension or all the pressure from the work is just gone while riding. So whenever I come back from a good motorcycle trip, I'm fresh. I'm almost fresh as a new join in the company, and I can, tackle all the pressures or tackle all the hurdles ahead. So I wish for you also the motorcycle riding is the same. So that is why we have the motorcycle brotherhood. That is why people love motorcycles a lot. Go with the wind, right? I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos, and share with your friends about how to ride, how to relax during your motorcycle trip. See you next time. Till then, take care. Tinso.